everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Anthea Style. For those of you that haven't joined before, thank you for joining in. And if you haven't subscribed, please click the button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you just basically what I've done for the fall season. It's a little bit later in the year that we're putting this video out, but if those of you have read my bio on my Instagram account, Anthea Style, you know that I do work full-time 9 to 5. Something you may not know about me is I work in the healthcare sector, so during COVID it's been extremely busy and I've been working extra long hours, so hence the delay in this fall video, but we wanted to make sure to give you the content so that you had it. So today I'm going to show you my color, and I'm actually wearing it as a mustard yellow. I decided this year not to go with the oranges and the white so much, but wanted more to go with a warmer tone, a little bit not traditional color. So mustard yellow it is for this fall. And we're going to start over here. Something that I did that's my relaxation all during this COVID is I love to crochet. So I took up the wool and needle and I made this blanket. And it's in a lovely dark charcoal gray, a creamy off-white, and the mustard yellow. And it's a full-size blanket. And that, if somebody's asking me what type of stitch I use, that's just called a half double crochet that I did throughout this blanket. On this chair here, we just have a pillow that says blessed, and it's in a creamy white color with the gray tones. Something you'll learn about me as well is I absolutely love pillows, and I think I have a little bit of an obsession with pillows. On this end table, we have a large pineapple, again going with the creamy white and a gold top. Not fall related per se as far as a pumpkin, but I just felt that it fit in lovely with the decor in the room. And then on the couch, I've just used one of my blankets. I'm a lover of blankets as well. And I've just folded it in half and thrown it over the side there with the mustard yellow cushion and a dark charcoal gray. And then I put a throw, almost like a Sherpa throw, on top of the seat here. And the reason for doing that, it just gives a little bit of a cozy feel, but it's also practical for me in my house because I have 2 small dogs and they love to sit on this couch and look out the window at the birds and the squirrels and now rabbits. So that just helps protect the light creamy color of our couch. The back of the couch is a tufted couch, and we decided to go with neutral color for our furniture. And that just gives me lots of room to play and decorate with multiple colors throughout the different seasons of the year. So on this side of the room, I've got this other end table here, and I've got our Happy Pumpkin Spice Season sign, and it's just wood with glass, and I've just leaned it up against this tall lamp. And this sign was purchased a few years ago from Michael's. I love to go to Michael's. You can certainly find things there seasonally to add to your decor that doesn't cost a whole lot. And if you have that coupon, use the coupon. And then this arrangement here, if you remember, if you've watched our summer video where I did the fall arrangement with fresh flowers, well, now in the garden there aren't fresh flowers, so I've used some artificial flowers that I've had and done our fall arrangement with some sunflowers and some smaller daisy-like sunflowers. And then back to Michael's again, I went, and I'll pull that out so you can see, and purchased these pumpkins on this stick. And I've just placed the 2 of these in this arrangement for that fall theme. Again, not committing to a color, just a nice neutral color. And there's one on this side with some daisy-like flowers and some long, tall branches that I had that I inserted, and some grasses. And these grasses I'll use as well, and I have used in spring arrangements as well. And then this is the same container that I had used to make the fresh floral arrangement that we had done outside. And I used this quite a lot. This vase, I got this from HomeSense, and I believe the price tag is still on the bottom, but it was $14.99. So again, there's certainly ways that you can decorate that are cost effective, not costing you a ton of money to do, but still giving you a lot of versatility throughout the year. So I'm using it different times of the year, so I'm getting my full money's worth out of it. This pumpkin here actually was orange. I purchased a set of small pumpkins from our local Walmart store, and then I purchased some Krylon spray can paint in a high gloss gray, and I spray painted that pumpkin to match in with my decor, and I've just set it on top of this candlestick holder. On this side, we have our love seat, and I've used one of our leopard-like print soft furry animal covers. I also like pillow covers because it gives you a lot more versatility as far as how often you can change your pillows, as well for storage. If you have a pillow cover, you can take that off and store that flat in your linen closet or in a blanket chest. So if you find covers, they are your best friend because the more the merrier. You can store them a lot easier than big bulky pillows. And again, we have our throw on top of here, the Sherpa cover, and the mustard yellow and cream pillow. This is a pillow that floats throughout the house in different settings. I've used this in our master bedroom as well. And then another blanket which I purchased from HomeSense in the mustard yellow with the lovely fringe. Another nice thing to have in your living room for fall when the weather's getting cooler is to have some blankets. We love blankets in our household, so I have this gray basket, gray and cream. It is one of those rattan resin baskets, and that was purchased from HomeSense. And I just keep a few blankets in here, just rolled like logs, for the use of family and friends alike. On our coffee table in the living room, I always have this tray. This tray is from HomeSense, and it's metal on the outside. It's got 4 small post legs with felt on the bottom so it doesn't scratch the glass table. And on the inside of this tray, it has mirror, which is lovely because it's reflective of the items, and it just has the light in the room bounces off of it. So I love that for that reason. And again, I get lots of use from this tray. Later on, when we get to Christmas, you'll see how I use this for our Christmas decor. This is a candle from HomeSense, and the candlestick that it's sitting on actually was from Bath & Body Works a couple of Christmases ago. Here's one of our pumpkins again, spray painted in gray. It was orange, and that pumpkin is from Walmart. And it has a set of marble-like coasters that we keep here, where we are big coffee and tea drinkers. So with the glass table, I like to make sure that we have a coaster for people to put their cups on. In the center here is a candlestick holder with a black shade, and that houses a candle underneath there. And then our pumpkin, this was a gift from my son for my birthday one year, and it is run by battery, so you can turn that on the bottom, and I'll just show you. And it's just got a small light, and I love the fact that at nighttime, which you can't see right now, it is one that reflects like a candle, but it's safer because there's no real candle inside of it. And then this vase here, this vase actually was a yard sale find, and I believe I only paid $1 for that. And that just has some extra other flowers that I've used throughout the year, particularly spring and summer, where I change it up. And some of these flowers are either from Michael's or they're actually from the dollar store. So I've just put in these lovely yellow flowers with a few cream-like roses. And this sprig here of greenery I've used several times again in different arrangements, because right now it has a fall look, but then in the summer or the spring it looks very summery like. And that is just displayed. And in a previous video I mentioned that I do like to do things in odd numbers, and as I'm sitting here doing this video, I'm kind of wondering to myself if I'm odd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the tray 7. So odd number, and that gets displayed in the center of our coffee table. And then just underneath here there is a ledge. And I'm a lover of magazines, but I decided to get rid of a bunch of magazines and just keep ones that were important to me coming up for this time of year. And they are for autumn, and I've organized them right back to winter for viewing purposes. Thanks for watching, everyone. Appreciate you tuning in. Make sure to give this a thumbs up, hit the like button, leave some comments, and I'll do my best to follow up with you. And please stay tuned for our Christmas videos, which are coming up soon. Take care.